cool. What's up? Nice signs. I like this here. I tell you, you've been collecting for a while, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
I can tell, man. It got some good stuff too, though. It's not shabby stuff. You can tell it got some good stuff, man.
I'll have some even better stuff coming out probably tomorrow.
Okay, all right. Oh, I see. Well, good luck to you.
Thanks, Ed.
All right, crew, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't made videos in a little while, but I've been waiting for this moment here. We're here in PA, Pennsylvania, guys, at Carlisle. It is wet, it's rainy, but we made the about 6.5 hour trip down, and we're finally got here. I've already scored some great stuff, guys. I came down here looking for a gas pump, actually a tall gas pump. And I actually found it visible, and I'll show you guys that. As soon as I got here, we wasn't even parked yet, and I saw it on the back of a truck. As soon as we parked the vehicle, I ran over there and talked to the guy, made the deal, and I didn't get it on camera because it happened so fast. So anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another good video. It's gonna be a wet one, but we're gonna get through this, and we're gonna get through it together. So come along, guys, hang out with me today, and I'm gonna make up for the videos that I have not posted yet since it's been a couple of weeks. So let's go ahead, guys, and like today is the first day here. People are still setting up, so we're just gonna ride around and take some cool videos, guys. All right, so with that gas pump, we're gonna have to get us a globe, and I do got a globe at the house, but it's a Hancock, so I'm gonna see what else they have, and we're gonna just look around.
If it ain't real blemished, it wouldn't might bother me none.
You got okay, hold on. That's actually
If it's something that's
hold
too
on.
good, you don't see much. Now this is what my brother-in-law should be buying from you right here, pretty well growing from. He's been making his.
Oh, has he?
Yeah. That's what he needs. This is a little tiny boy.
Yeah, so this rain got everybody all messed up here. But we'll still see what we can find, man. There's always some good deals to be had. Just met old Matt earlier here. I've just ran into old YouTuber. Old Matt with, I believe it's Iron Trap Garage. Big shout out to Matt. I better post a picture down below of me and him together, guys. Thought that was pretty cool. He was one of the first people that I got into watching on YouTube as far as fabrication and metalworking when he was with Eastwood. So thought that was pretty cool. I actually seen him one time before, but I didn't have a chance to talk to him. He was walking around and stuff, so I didn't want to bother him, but he was just walking around this time by himself, so I hollered at him. They got that jacked up, don't they? Hey, look at that there. 25 G's right here. We came looking at this Pontiac earlier. I think that's about a 56 Star Chief.
Yeah, I see the chrome's different than mine too. Mine's good.
Need some toys. There go plenty of toys.
No, them days are gone.
I know. Yeah, I may start back up. A lot of people collecting those Hot Wheels and stuff, man.
Oh, that.
They can look like my father-in-law.
That's a Corvette man right there.
Yeah. Now this will be awesome for my shop. Take a picture of that and send it to my wife. See, they got those, I mean, even though that's a plastic, but you see they got the arms on the side? Yeah. I like that square one. Man, I tell you what, we didn't hit the jackpot. At least I know I didn't hit the jackpot. Boy, I tell you, I didn't win all out this time, guys. But we're back over at Bumper Boys. We're over here at Bumper Boys. You know, this is one of our places we got all our chrome from. So if you guys over in Carlisle, make sure you're checking out Bumper Boys. You can give them a plug, guys. They've been good to us. This is their whole lot here. No Bumper Boys. I'll give you guys, I'll come over here and turn you guys around and let you see here. Let me turn you around. So they're in California, man. Bumper Boys. Check them out. That's the number. If you need anything chrome plated, they are the ones to do it. You guys saw all my videos. We get all our chrome from Bumper Boys, man. This stuff here is for all the customers they got, man. All the customers. We're not picking up anything, but we're dropping off parts to get chrome. Show you guys my setup. That's my Coleman little sleep camp and a little cot. And once I get everything set up, I'll show you guys again. All right, crew, so we're all set up now. I'm gonna show you my setup that I have. I'll put my chair in here later. All right, there go my comfy bed, man, right there. I tell you, I got my little sleep machine right over there. I got my cords here going off. That's why I like this tent. And then tonight I got my generator over here. So if I ever have to go get up at night and use the restroom, we got the restrooms over there. They got a shower and everything in it. All right. All right, so that's the setup for the tent tonight, guys. So we'll wake up in the morning. It's still early. I'm just walking around, watch some football on my phone tonight. Monday Night Football. And we'll get up in the morning. And I'm not gonna show you guys what I already got now. I told you about it, but I haven't showed it to you yet. I'll show you that in the morning when the sun is out. It's supposed to have a nice day tomorrow. So I'm excited, man. I'm so excited, and I'm trying to fix that up and put some decor inside the new shop. So we'll see you first thing in the morning, guys. Peace out. All right, guys, so we're back this next morning here. There's people still pulling in and stuff, but it's just not as packed as Carlisle normally is. But we're already out and about and stuff, trying to find a few things that we need to pick up and stuff. So let's go ahead and walk around, guys.
You still in this beast or what?
Yes, I am.
What are you asking for?
27.5.
27.5.
It's got a fresh 331 Chrysler Hemi in it with a 4-speed with overdrive.
Wow.
Disc brakes on the front, drop axle.
Ain't that? Where? Oh, yeah, okay.
You can hear it without gasoline.
I just say I wouldn't be able to tell.
Oh, you can hear it. I mean, that's good.
Yeah.
Was that guy on TV say how they do that?
Yeah. They got a TV show how they do
Yeah,
it.
how they do that.
There you go, right there counts. All right, Chris, let's go and get us some breakfast over here at the food court. See if anything open up. I think it is. But before, look at this old Willis, man. Buses, but some Dodge buses. That's pretty slick there. I always wanted a Willis. That thing's slick. Ain't got a price on it, do it?
26.
God, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Already refurbished, 26. Let's look at the windshield. Huh?
Today's world, it seems like a real good price.
Yeah, I hate to say that, but yeah, you're right, Yeah. Huh. These buses, this is cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna go get us a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich for breakfast. They got some pretty good food over here at the food court. But I tell you, if you want the best soup and a good ham and cheese sandwich, I can't even pronounce it, but Stoltzfus is one of the best places here in Carlisle to get your good old sandwich, man. So let's go ahead and get us a sandwich and a coffee.
A couple of girls in there bring doors sometimes.
Somebody use that.
Anything else you looking for?
Now I still got to get that wind lace.
Well, that's just what we out there.
Yeah, I got that. American Racing, this is where we get our wheels and tires from. It's a good looking tire. Now I like that right there. It got a little center cap on this. Look at this here. It's a good looking wheel.
Yeah, you make it look like that little.
Almost like the one I got on
A
mine.
little router wheel that come out.
That's how the ones that's on that I got on my truck now. You see the prices on these things, man. Killer deals. You guys looking for some good stuff, man? This is where you need to be at. Next week they got Hershey. All right, guys. So you see all the rusty gold behind us, man. We're having a blast out here. I tell you what, within the last 2 hours, I think it's just totally different. That rain really messed everybody up yesterday, but I mean, you just look at the background. I mean, it's starting to get loaded up, man, and that's great. It's supposed to be good weather today too, so. I mean, we're not going to be shooting a whole lot more. We actually may be copping a 56 Pontiac convertible. We're trying to figure out how to get it back to Bristol, so that'll be good. And I think I actually got a video of that when we first got here yesterday. So once we go back up there, we're trying to get the guy to deliver it for us. So he's going to charge us a small fee. So that'll work out great. And that's going to be Old Count's next project. I'm only doing small projects. As you guys know, and I did get a gas pump today. It's a Visible. Man, I got an awesome deal on it. All right, so we turn around and we're gonna see if we can find some more things. I got to get some gaskets for my truck and a new wind lace. All right, so I'll turn you guys back on once we find some of the stuff that I'm looking for. I miss actually being able to come up here, and if I was building one of my trucks, I miss actually buying and looking for all this stuff, man. It's so fun to find stuff that you're looking for. That's the thrill of it. Right now, Old Count's having all the fun. He's having all the fun. You got cool little shop, nice signs. I like this here. I tell you, you've been collecting for a while, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
I can tell, man. It got some good stuff too, though.
Appreciate that.
It's not shabby stuff. You can tell got some good stuff, man.
Yeah, I'll have some even better stuff coming out probably tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
cab full.
Oh, I see. Well, good luck to you.
Thanks, man. Thanks for serving.
I appreciate you. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Got some cool stuff, man.
Buddy, thank you. I'll give a better review.
I'm tapped out for the day. All right, guys, we got jackpot of these gas pumps here, but we don't need to look at no gas pumps. All right, got us a gas pump, but that's what we're looking at, though. Got the old school style. Got some nice ones up here. Huh?
type things.
Yeah, those kerosene pumps. I saw
You
that.
love them things.
These what kind of boys you call these things? Gas boys. So that guy, he came. He didn't get the ones with the guns on there. That's the one here.
That's yours.
Okay, well let me see. I just gotta take a picture of it real quick.
Yep.
And send it to the missus. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the end of this video, but before we close off this video, this is one place I really walked around. It's like the little barn area where they got stuff on the inside. There's a lot of repop stuff, but this is basically gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna show you guys the trailer. We just got through packing all the gas pump and everything. Man, I tell you what, we almost had to leave my Indian. But I'm gonna just show you guys in the background all this repop stuff while I'm walking. I'll show you guys. But this has been an awesome trip, man. Even though we was here for 2 days, I went over and beyond buying stuff, but we were trying to get my shop together, so I brought. Never knew I found that cigar Indian here, but it's like a 6-foot cigar Indian we got, which is gonna be awesome in the shop. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and let you see everything, and then we'll pull up on the trailer. All right, we're gonna walk back over here, and we're gonna call it a day. And we've been packing. It took us almost an hour to pack the truck. Look at that there. Oh gosh, you look like the Clampets. Got the gas pump there, the Indian. I don't think it's going anywhere, guys. All right, guys, so this is the wagon. We got it all packed up, man. So hey, even though it's been two days, and like I told you, I haven't made videos because I've been trying to get my shop in order. And like I said, that Indian, and also once I refurbish that gas pump, the other gas pumps we refurbish is going into the store as well. So it's gonna be a cool little shop to come hang out at, guys. And if you're ever in the Bristol, Virginia area, come and check us out, Sidetrack Tobacco, guys. And you can look me up on the web at sidetracktobaccollc.com, of course. So we're gonna go ahead. We got a long trip ahead of us. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with us. This has been another blast here at the Fall Carlisle Swap Meet, man. All right, crew, we are back in Bristol, man. We made it back. It was a long trip, man. I know some of you guys out there even have even longer trips. I met a couple yesterday. Actually, it was 3 guys, and they were coming from California. They said it took them 42 hours to get here to Carlisle. But anyway, we just offloaded. Let me turn you guys around real quick. We just offloaded all of my rusty gold and also my Indian over there. So we got a big visible gas pump I got there. I have to decide what I'm gonna do with it. It's just so tall, it may not fit in my shop. But this was the prize. Everyone wanted this Indian, and I tell you what, I wanted to get several of them, but this is my boy here, and this is going into the shop. And you know, I got 2 big pieces, man, so I'm really happy with it. And like I said, I just wanted to show you guys the pump and the Indian. I couldn't show it to you yesterday because it was laying down and we was kind of in the rush of getting stuff. You know, of course, we got the other parts. This is the 55 that we got at the swap meet a year ago, and that's a future project there. And this is all the parts that was collected for the 55. All right, so anyway, guys, this is gonna be it for this video, for sure. This time, I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. And like I said, I haven't been putting out a lot of videos like I normally do, and it's because I've been working on my business, working on my shop. But once they get up and running, we're gonna be hitting it full force again, guys. So I want to thank you again, and for watching me and stuff and supporting my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Okay, hit that subscribe button, help me out. So like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.